So what information we know? $600 take $375. But 700 miles takes $400. We want to know how much is the money when you have to drive 613 miles. So it's somewhere here. For 600, it's 375. For 700, it's 400. But then between 600 and 700, if you drive, how much money you need to have in your pocket to buy your gasoline? So what do? Volunteer? Avoid the change, which is slope. So you can gain your slope from this information. Well, let me do it here so it will be clearer for you. Come on, it is. Okay, I have to write it again, no problem. 700 gives us $400. Then 613 needs how much? So this gonna give us our slope M. Whatever what? Go ahead. 700 minus 600. 400 minus 375. So what is your X here? What is your X and what is your Y? So cost are X. This is your X, this is your Y. But then you didn't give me Y over X, right? You gave me X over Y. You, oh, Y over X. Okay, yeah, sorry, my bad. So you have what? 100 over 25, which is, you can pick anything as anyone, but then at the end you have to see what you're looking for or what you're replacing with. So Y minus Y1 slope X minus X1. Y minus what? 600 equals times X minus 375. Actually, let's take the other one because it's easier to multiply. Let's take the 700. Then I don't have to do 375 times 4. We can easily do 400 times 4, right? Which is easier. You can pick one of the point. It doesn't have to be exactly X1, Y1. Any one of the points. So Y minus 700, 4X minus easy, right? 4 times 4, 16. So 16 is 00. What do we do next? Add. We add. That tells us Y equals 4X minus 900. So here our X is the money and Y is the miles. Now, what's the last information we have? The money or the miles? Miles. I feel like something looks bad. So miles and money. If X is the money, X goes on the denominator. Okay. So they gave us the mile, which is 613. And they want us to find how much we have to spend. So what do you do? So for X, add 900. We get 1513 equals 4X. So it's not the whole number, it will be a decimal. Did I make a mistake anywhere? No, right? 613 miles. Okay, and then we do divide by 4. Without using calculator, you have to find how much is this. So do you remember your manual division? If you're done, you have to refresh your memory. We have 4 and we have 15. 4 goes to 15 how many times? 3. 3 times 4 is 12, so we subtract. How much we get? 15 minus 12? 3. And then we bring down the next number 1. So 3 becomes 31. Now 4 goes to 31 how many times? 7. 4 times 7 is 28, so we have to subtract. And how much is 31 minus 28? 3. So we have another number extra. We bring this down now. We have 33. 4 goes to 33 how many times? 8. 3 times 4 is, 4 times 8 is 32. We get 1. But since we're dealing with money, so we have to go to the decimal. We put a decimal here, and we put a decimal here, and we put a 0 here. 4 goes to 10 how many times? 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so let me do it here. We have 10. 4 times 2 is 8, so we subtract, we get 2. And then we can put as many zeros as we want. So we can put another 0 here, because for money issue, we go to penny, right? 2 places after the decimal. So we need 1 more place after the decimal. Now that 4 goes to 20 how many times? 5. And this time we have no more remainder, 0. So our X is $378.25. Does it make sense? Yeah. We have 375 and 400. Between that, we have 378. So it does make sense.